Hello Fatima. What is that sound?
Hi Daya. You cannot find the sound.
Yes, I cannot. Please tell me. I didn't remember.
Oh really? It's okay. I will give you some examples. You should find what it sounds.
Tell me. I will try to find.
Okay, let me see. It is the tallest animal in the world. It has long legs and neck.
It's camel. Am I correct?
No, it's wrong answer.
Oh no. Tell me more about that.
Sure, its long neck helps in spotting enemies. It eats leaves and shoots. It has 4 stomachs. A baby animal is called a calf.
Yes, now I know the answer.
Tell me.
It says giraffe.
You're correct. That is giraffe sounds.
Wow, now I remember giraffe sound. Thank you Fatima.
You're welcome Daya.
If you liked our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.